American muffins are little delights perfect for breakfast or a snack. Here is a basic recipe for muffins, with an Italian twist that I will suggest at the end. Ingredients: 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 1 packet of baking powder, 2 large eggs, 120 milliliters of whole milk, 100 grams of melted butter, 1 pinch of salt, vanilla extract to taste, 100 grams of chocolate chips or fresh berries, to choice. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a muffin pan by lining the baskets with paper liners. In a bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, beat the eggs with the sugar until you have a frothy mixture. Add the milk, melted, cooled, butter, and vanilla extract. Incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, mixing as little as possible to avoid making the muffins tough. Remember, the mixture should be lumpy. Add the chocolate chips or chosen fruit to the mixture with gentle stirring. Fill the paper liners to 2/3 of their height with the batter. Bake the muffins in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Let them cool on a wire rack. To give an Italian touch to this recipe, you could use extra virgin olive oil instead of butter for a lighter alternative with a unique flavor. You can also add a bit of grated lemon or orange zest to the batter for a Mediterranean aroma. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Bon appetit!